channel, people. Today's very special video. Something has just come in the post. Check it out. Something's just come in the post. We're going to do an unboxing, unwrapping, whatever it is. Very special thing here. Really excited about it. Let's get into it. Okay. Let's open this up and see what we got, shall we? Very exciting. Very exciting. Ooh, what we got here? Magazine. Oh, look at that. I wonder who that is. Let's have a look, shall we? Yeah, sod everyone else. Sod everyone else. Let's go straight. Oh look, I'm in there. Let's go and have a look. Where? Oh, what page did it say? Did it say a page? Page 12. Wow! I got a poster. What does it say? Rat-a-tat-tat. Obsessed with customising everything he's owned. Neil Staines swapped a modified Mark III Golf for a non-running T4, knowing full well will be putting his own stamp on it. Wow, how many pages we got here? Wow. How many pages we got? 6 page. There we have it, people. There we have it. In the magazine. Check it out. Oh, ripping the Scarface lowriders there. I'll have a proper look at this in a minute. I just thought I'd show you guys. Magazine. Check it out. You may remember the video I did. I'll put the link in the description below about the photo shoot I did. Well, go and check out the video in the link below and you can see the whole photo shoot I did for this magazine. Go check it out. There we have it, people. Magazine's turned up. I'm in the shops now. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they might have mentioned the YouTube channel in there. Might get me a few more subscribers. We'll see, won't we? But well chuffed with that. Happy days. I'm in the shops now, people. Go and buy me.